Today, we will talk about how to make money from YouTube. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Do you want to know how to make money on YouTube? Whether you want to start a side hustle or turn to YouTube full-time as an entrepreneur, this blog post is for you. In this guide, creators will learn the steps required to make and monetize a successful YouTube channel. 1. Become a YouTube partner. Musicians who wish to monetize through their YouTube account must create an official artist channel. This is because YouTube requires all channels wishing to monetize their videos to be verified, and artist channels are the only type of channel that can be verified. To apply for verification, a channel must meet certain requirements, such as having a large enough audience and producing consistent content. Once a channel has been verified, they can become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. The Partner Program allows creators to receive a portion of the revenue generated from ads placed on their videos and additional promotional opportunities. Non-musicians who would like to monetize their YouTube channel must meet certain requirements, like the 1,000 subscriber requirement. Once approved, the creator can start earning money from their videos. Additionally, YouTube allows creators to sell merchandise through their channels and to join an affiliate program, which offers additional income potential. 2. Sell products or merchandise. Deciding what to sell on a YouTube channel can be a big decision for creators, as it involves committing to producing content that appeals to an audience and is monetizable. When selecting products or merchandise for sale, creators should keep in mind the type of content they produce and their target audience. For example, if a creator has a cooking channel, they could consider selling kitchenware, cookbooks, or cooking-themed t-shirts. Once the products or merchandise have been selected, creators must then decide how to promote them. The most effective way to advertise products is through integrated YouTube marketing campaigns that include video content and ads. Creators can also use their channel descriptions, end screens, and other features to direct viewers to the products they are selling. Creators can also join affiliate programs to earn additional income from their videos, such as the Amazon Affiliate Program. Affiliate marketing is a great and easy additional source of income on YouTube. 3. Affiliate marketing. Choosing affiliates that align with your interests and values is an important part of monetizing your channel. It's important to select partners and products that fit within the scope of your content, as well as those that reflect your own values and moral compass. By selecting informed partners that match your vision, you can ensure that you are properly representing yourself and your brand in the marketplace. Working with influencers is an increasingly popular way for YouTubers to make money and grow their channels. Influencer marketing involves leveraging the reach of popular personalities on social media to promote products or services. To successfully launch an influencer campaign, YouTubers need to identify influencers who are a good match for their brand. Then craft attractive offers that are appealing to these influencers. This can involve offering monetary compensation, free product samples, exposure on the YouTuber's channel, or any combination of these incentives. Working with influencers can be a great way to boost engagement and drive sales for your business. YouTube allows content creators to include affiliate links in their video descriptions, allowing them to earn a commission for each purchase made through those links. This is an effective way for creators to generate additional income from their videos through sponsorships without having to rely solely on ad revenue. 4. Get paid by fans. Crowdfunding is an effective way for content creators to monetize their YouTube channels and generate additional income. In a nutshell, it's when fans voluntarily contribute funds to support the production of content or to help fund a creator's particular project. Fan funding can be done through platforms such as Patreon, Kickstarter, or GoFundMe. Crowdfunding provides both short-term and long-term income for content creators and allows them to build relationships with their fans. When setting up a crowdfunding campaign, it's important to make sure that you are offering something of value in return for your fan support. For example, you can offer exclusive access to new videos or behind-the-scenes content and ask for donations in return. Additionally, you can create rewards tiers that provide fans with incentives for donating larger amounts. This could include early access to videos or exclusive merch. 5. License your content. Licensing your content can be a great way to monetize your channel and generate income. It allows you to protect the intellectual property of your videos while also making them available for commercial use by other parties, such as broadcasters or streaming services. One of the most effective ways to monetize your YouTube channel is through media outlets paying for viral videos. This involves creating content that has the potential to go viral or become hugely popular, and then selling it to media outlets who will use it in their own programming or advertising campaigns. In this way, content creators can generate more income from the videos they have created. When selling viral videos, content creators must be aware of YouTube's terms and conditions. They should also ensure that their videos meet all applicable copyright laws and acquire any necessary permissions or licenses before beginning the process of licensing their content. Also, they should make sure to get a contract in place with any media outlets that are interested in purchasing the content. Applying for a copyright license for your YouTube videos is an important step in protecting and monetizing your content. With the right license, you can ensure that others can't reuse or repost your original creations without compensating you. Before applying for a copyright license, it's important to understand how copyright works and what types of licenses are available. The most common type of copyright license is a Creative Commons (CC) license, which allows content creators to grant permission for others to use their work as long as they follow certain conditions. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.